class, today we'll be talking about polygons. Let's first look at real life examples of polygons. You have the stop sign, starfish, pentagon, and the crossing sign. Polygons are all over our life. They're present in geometry, they are present in construction, they are present in nature, and as well as in our streets. Let's define a polygon first. A polygon is a closed figure made by joining line segments where each line segment intersects exactly two others. What this means is that this line segments intersect this line and this line as well. So could this be a polygon? No, it is not a polygon because polygons are closed figures. How about this one? Is this a polygon? This is not a polygon because this is not a side. This is a curve. So therefore, it's not a polygon. Is this a polygon? This is not a polygon either because this point of intersection actually connects this side, and this side, and this side. So that doesn't count as a polygon. Now we're going to talk about regular versus irregular polygons. A regular polygon is a polygon whose sides are the same and the angles are the same as well. The sum of all the angles in a polygon is n minus 2 times 180. We looked at the theorem in previous videos. So these are called regular polygons because if you look at these polygons, their sides and the angles are the same. In this slide, we're going to look at irregular polygons. These are irregular because you see that the sides are not the same and therefore the angles won't be the same. In order for a polygon to be regular, all angles and all sides have to be the same. This is called the vertex. It's the point of intersection of two rays. In a polygon, the vertices are basically the point of intersection of the sides. We're going to talk about a pentagon now. A pentagon is a five-sided polygon. A pentagon is called regular if all its side and its angles are the same. A pentagon is called irregular if basically its side and its angles are not the same. In a pentagon, all the angles add up to 540. How do we find this? N minus 2 times 180. Pentagon is 5-sided, so therefore it's 5 minus 2, which is 3 times 180. Let's look at a hexagon. A hexagon is a 6-sided figure. This is a regular hexagon. All sides are the same and all angles are the same, and this is irregular hexagon. Heptagon, 7-sided polygon. This example over here is a regular heptagon. All sides and angles are the same, and this is an example of an irregular heptagon. An octagon. A regular octagon looks like this one over here, and an irregular octagon looks like this. Remember to find the sum of all the angles inside interior angles of an octagon, which is an 8-sided figure, is 8 minus 2 times 180. So in this case, it's 6 times 180, which is 1080. All angles have to add up to 1080, regardless of regular or irregular. However, the angles and the sides are not the same in an irregular octagon. Now we're going to look at a nonagon. A nonagon is a 9-sided figure. So you have on this side the regular, and on this side is irregular nonagon. A decagon is a 10-sided figure. The angles must add up to 1440. This is regular. This one is irregular. Now we're going to look at convex versus concave. A figure is called convex if every line segment drawn between any 2 points inside the figure lies entirely inside the figure. A figure that is not convex is called concave. So on this side here, these are all convex polygons. If you draw a point here, and a point here, and you connect them, the line is entirely inside the polygon. However, on this side, if you draw a point here and a point here, and you connect them, you see that the line actually crosses through the outside, and therefore it counts as concave. This ends today's lesson. I will see you all in class tomorrow. Have a good night.